Morning everybody and welcome to another weekend vlog. How are you guys? It is early. It is 7:14 here on Friday morning, but I don't have work. No, I don't. I have today off. We are heading off camping today with Mike and Vicky. Burnham is working a half day. I was going to work half day, and I just took the whole thing off because I was like, screw that. I was like, I'm not doing a half day. I just need a full day. It is a beautiful, beautiful morning. Blue skies. Sun is just coming through. It's lovely. It's a beautiful morning. The garden is just looking so luscious and pretty. I'm sad to leave it. I hope it doesn't die during this heat wave. I'm going to see if Dad will come water it. You're in my spot. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, really excited for today, for this weekend. A bit nervous. Don't know how me and Bubs are going to get on camping. I think Burnham doesn't know how he's going to get on. He's never been camping, so you never know. It might just be one night. It might end up being two. We'll see. But it's also Mike's birthday this weekend. It's his birthday tomorrow, so that's really exciting. Didn't actually realise he's not one shout about his birthday, but yes, his birthday tomorrow, so we'll be celebrating as well. But say good morning, and I hope you're looking forward to this vlog. I really am. I'm going to take my tripod. I'm going to do the whole shebang because I'm so looking forward to it. We are on a cliff top, like cliff edge. And I'm so looking forward to the weather and hopefully capturing maybe some beautiful sunsets, maybe even a sunrise if I'm feeling up to it. Probably won't. But yeah, I'm going to sit here for, I don't know, maybe an hour or so, relax, have my coffee, maybe have another coffee. I'm going to upload a video so it's all scheduled and ready to go. A new vlog went up today, so I'm going to go check how that's doing and see if there's any comments, and yeah, just hope you are looking forward to this one. I'm looking quite tanned after my last weekend's escapades in the sun. As you can see, there's the original. There's the OG. Here's the tan version. Hopefully you're going to try even that out this weekend. Safely, of course. But yeah, right, let's get going. Oh, I'm so excited. Hello, it's me again. Still chilling on the couch with Giz. But our engagement photos are in. Bubs has just messaged me to say Paul emailed him with the whatnots, the link to our, oh god, do this one hand. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. One, because my hair was a mess. I felt kind of like a bit bigger than I'd want to be. So did Burnham. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Right. I figured we would open them together. Why not? Let's just get it. I'm so nervous. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm so nervous. I'm just so worried it's going to be shit. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're not shit. Oh. Why am I getting emotional? Oh. Oh, oh, oh. My hair looks good. Okay, it's a little frizzy, but oh, I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but we just look so happy. We just look so happy. Let me give you a tiny little snippet. Hold on. Oh, here's a little snippet for you guys. Oh my gosh, just so happy. I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but I don't know what I expected. I guess I thought I would look rubbish or something. It's so good. We're just laughing the whole time. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh God, the one of me. You know, I said he got some sitting down on these stumps. I look like a tree stump. Oh, my legs look non-existent. That's funny. Oh, they're not too bad. They're not my favourite, but they're not too bad. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I think that's one of my faves. Okay, I'm going to put you away. I'm going to look at these pictures properly, and yeah, I'm just a bit, I don't know why that hit me. It's just, I was worried it wouldn't look good, but Burnham looks damn fine. I don't know what he was worried about. Oh, so chuffed. So happy. Okay, it's a full hour later. I have messaged pretty much all my girlfriends. I messaged my mom, but she didn't reply, so I'll wait to see if she wakes up. So yeah, I need to get my ass into gear now. I need to get sorted, but yeah, I'm so over the moon. So over the moon. I've still got them in front of me. I still haven't stopped. So I'm going to close this, I'm going to shut down, and I'm going to get packing, because I've only got a few hours now, really. Whoops. But yeah, I'm just so over the moon. I'm so happy, and I just want to get some canvassed and put up ASAP. But yeah, okay, right. I just want to check in, let you know that an hour later I'm still just swooning over these pictures. A face on, so I haven't gotten changed, but pretty much all packed. I've got all Bub's stuff sorted. I just want him to check toiletries, and bedding is down here with the blow up bed. So yeah, I think we should be just about sorted. It is so warm. I am already sweating. Like, I'm about to make some food. I'm gonna have some Dutch crisp bakes with tuna, cheese, cucumbers, spring onion, mayo, jalapenos. Just chuck it all in a bowl and chuck it on top of them. So I'm going to make some lunch. I'm going to go sit outside. I've got a drink. Very hot. I think Mother Dearest is awake, so I'm going to send her some of the engagement pictures. I'm going to paint my nails with I use the pink gel coat. This stuff, love it. It kind of gives them like a little pinky sheen, but it also protects your nails, so that is fab. I straightened my hair. I'm not taking the old extensions. We're going camping. Don't think it'll be appropriate. I was like, do I pack my straighteners? And I was like, no, Candy, you're going camping. So I'm just gonna go chill out now for a bit. I'm gonna try to stay on plan as much as possible, but from tonight onwards, I think it's just kind of just go. I didn't weigh myself today. I was thinking to weigh myself Sunday. Burnham, I think, said he was going to weigh today, but I'm not too fussed. Like, I'm not trying to fixate on weight, so I don't think I'm going to weigh myself today. I think I'll just weigh myself Sunday, and what is, and then I'll weigh him properly next Saturday. Right, okay, let's make some lunch. I'm hungry. I'm real hungry. Haven't eaten yet. How good this is. So good. This is tuna, cheese, spring onion, jalapeno, salt, pepper, cucumber, and these Dutch crisp bakes. Honestly, when stuff tastes this good, super easy to be healthy. And I'm watching The Endless Adventure, very conscious it's nearly 12 and I need to get off my ass. Okay. I was just wondering where Giz had gone. Can you see him there? He's just basking in the sunlight. He's such a poser. You enjoying the sunshine? Hey, you enjoying that glorious sunshine? I think I should water the garden before we go camping. You look so happy. You look so happy. Okay, I'm dressed. This is said outfit for today. I'm wearing 3/4 lengths because it's warm. This cardigan's gonna last all 2 seconds. And trusty, comfy, floaty top. And just some dirty pumps because obviously we're gonna be in a field. But yeah, there's the outfit for today. I just need to put, oh no, I've got them on, I've got my earrings in. But yeah, feeling good. I did weigh myself, by the way, and it was a good result again, so feeling chuffed. Bubs is like rushing out the door when we don't have to, so let me go sort that man. Right, we dropped.
But the breeze is nice, you know?
If there wasn't a breeze, we'd be in trouble.
Not too much.
No.
Dad's warning us about the weather because it's going to be pretty bad. Pretty well hot.
And also
good,
how to put the tent, make sure you put it
Put it
in
in the right place. Yeah, at the right time.
But yeah, Giz is with the 5 others. He's going to have a blast. Dad's going to water the garden for us tomorrow, which is very, very, very good.
I don't even water my own plants.
Oh.
So much rain last.
I appreciate it though.
We'll bring you back something nice.
Yeah. Mum was upstairs, so I didn't see
Bring
her,
me back
but
Cornwall.
I'll try.
Oh, yeah, we wish.
I like a still photograph of you in that deck chair.
Oh yeah. Right, we are about to hit the road. Thank you.
Done your tyres? Checked your tyres?
I'll go check it when we get to Tesco's.
Yeah, make sure you put...
We've done Tesco run. Bubsy is eating before the drive, because he hasn't had lunch. We're going to get fuel, pump the tyres, and hit the road. Still waiting to hear from Mike and Vicky. Don't know if they've left yet, but it doesn't matter because we're going to hit the road anyway. Just sit there waiting for them to pitch tent. The best start. Traffic! 34 minutes worth of traffic. I don't know, they said there was a broken down car or something, but yay! So we're in this for another mile and a bit. Woohoo! Nothing like getting your holiday holiday. I'm calling it a holiday.
Technically, yeah.
I guess it's a little mini holiday, a little getaway. Fingers crossed, we are out of this soon. More traffic. We're nearly there. Nearly there. How long? 10 minutes. Oh, so we still got a little way to go. We have arrived. Let's see what's around the corner, shall we? Those roads were terrible, by the way. I don't do country lanes very well. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh my golly gosh.
And I'm Jo, and a while ago you heard from us about a charity fundraising in memory of what would have been our mum Diane's 60th birthday.
Oh wait, we've arrived! You probably can't hear me either because it's so windy, but we have arrived, safe and sound. Vicky is threading a pole. Mike is helping Vicky thread that pole. It has begun. But yeah, so we're gonna give these guys a hand getting the tent up. This is very new to us, so wish us luck. Oh lordy. Vicky is a beast with a mallet and a tent. Don't mess with Vicky when she's got a mallet in her tent. Look at that. Home for the night. It is so windy. Oh my lord. We're setting up the kitchen. Look how cool is that? Oh, that's so cool.
Newest toy.
Oh, it's even got like top
shelves.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Here's home for the night. This is our boudoir. In there. This is Vicky and Mike's boudoir. In here. We've got a compartment in between us to keep sound down. And the boys are sorting out man stuff out there, Bry's. Don't judge me by saying that. On our chairs. Those are our garden chairs.
I like them.
And Bubs is trying to embrace the camping. He looks dubious right now.
Oh,
This is going to be fully set up. I mean, look, there's a table.
table number 2.
And look, I can't even touch it. Can't even touch it. That's how tall it is.
My work surface table.
Oh, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. If only that bush wasn't there, so we had a sea view.
Oh, we'll go for a tour and see the sea.
But yeah, we're just getting all set up.
You can walk down to the seat now.
Oh, it's exciting. I'm very excited. Vicky said I need to get out more. Kitchen set up, and then we've got to go to Aldi, get some food and bits.
I built my kitchen with.
Yes. Oh, check. Look at it. It's like a full-on little kitchen shelf. Living for this.
I'm the one that needs to get out more.
Yeah, really, it's you.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I mean, come on. Look at this stuff.
Hey, I am out.
Look at
I'm
you.
out in the countryside.
Look how cool the like top is.
Oh,
Oh my lord. This is so cool.
yeah, there's in my garden.
Oh wow.
Scarface size.
That's neat, isn't it?
That is pretty impressive.
I just want one of those in the garden when we're doing a
It's
braai.
quite cool, yeah. Well, it's good for the windbreak for the little stove.
Oh, that's clever. This is very clever. But right, we're gonna get all hooked up, set up, and then we've got the new fire pit out there, braai out there.
Yeah.
That looks really nice.
Bertha.
Bertha.
Bertha John.
She has a name. Hi, I look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards because I have been dragged through a hedge.
Just a little windswept, darling, that's all.
This is Vicky a la camping.
Wait till tomorrow when you see me.
And you'll be like,
I feel all
hair
over the bloody
everywhere.
place. Yeah. This has already been blowing in the wind. I'm glad I straightened it first.
oh yeah, there'll be no fringe tomorrow because I pin it back because it just ends up one big curl.
Really?
Like this, otherwise. So,
Oh,
yeah.
chairs are coming out.
I'll go and check out Mike's moon chair. It's the most amazing thing.
Oh,
Look at
we
that chair.
haven't got those. Shotgun!
It is so comfortable.
Have you got those blow up ones I saw in the picture?
Yeah, yeah, so they're the indoor chairs.
Oh, that's
We
amazing!
have indoor chairs and outdoor chairs.
Oh, look, Burnham's already. He's getting in the chair.
That's it, he's done.
Yeah, much stuff.
You liking camping, Burnham?
He's alright, isn't he?
So yeah, it's
Burnham's
quite nice.
sorted.
I want this chair.
Yeah, you happy?
If we see them in Aldi, we'll buy them. Screw the budget.
Wedding schmedding.
Is your red one the same?
Vicky has the kind of
It's not quite the same. So we tend to fight over. There's a strap around it, darling.
Lol.
It's not quite so like massive as that.
I can't get out the blue one.
Oh,
But
that's
it's still quite
nice.
comfy.
Is that a cup holder?
Yeah.
Shotgun.
You can't shock on both of them.
My ass is big enough for both. I tell you, just straddle them next to you.
That's gonna hurt.
Oh, that looks comfy. Oh, it looks like a hug. We're getting fully set up. And then there's our chairs. But we look.
Yeah.
No.
Why are you sat all the way over there?
I don't know why he put them all the way over there. They're on the edge. I want that chair. Tent is pitched. Oh yeah, sorry, copyright. Oh, I'm not even focused. There we go. Vicky's behind the wheel. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Boys are in the back. Being very obedient. I'm on crisp duty, feeding Vicky.
I'm hungry, man. I didn't even have any lunch today.
I only had some crisp bread with tuna on it today.
I've eaten. I'm gonna can't believe we're gonna admit to this. I've eaten. Well, I've drunk a coffee this morning, and then for breakfast I had two tablespoons of Nutella.
What?
Straight out the jar.
Straight out the jar.
Oh my
You're
lordy.
an animal. Animal.
And that's all I've had.
No decorum.
And about 3 crisps.
Well, Vicky's doing really well today with her Nutella and crisps and coffee. So we're off to Aldi.
3 main food groups.
Right. We're going to add cider into the mix for the 4th food group.
Yeah.
That's fruit.
I know.
There you go.
It's what
There
I
we
like.
go.
It's fruit.
Get some groceries, some grubs, some drinks, and enjoy the rest of the evening at the tent by the fire,
Yeah, oh yeah.
making food and being all campery.
The verb. Campery.
I decided to buy a hat.
Oh, wowzers.
You should have bought a hat, really.
I know, right? Those hats don't really suit me, to be honest.
I'm very happy with my hat. We've got a good load of groceries, and now we're going to go eat and drink and be merry.
Yes, time to sit.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Quick change. We're back at the homestead. The lighting in this tent is awesome. The lighting in this tent is so good. I thought I would follow suit from Vicky. Vicky's idea, I'm stealing this. So I'll give you a little tent tour. It's a tent tour.
It's a jingle.
Yeah. I thought I'd just show you around where we will be living for the next 2 nights. Here is the living area and kitchen. There's the kitchen. There's the lounge. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Entertainment area.
Patio.
The patio, yeah. And it's very cozy, very comfy, and I'm just hoping we have a really good night's sleep. We're very much set up. We kind of got a giant ass blow up bed. Yeah, I think Vicky's gonna join us. I've just got changed. I'm in my snugglies now. It's done. Have a shower a bit later, probably after dinner. But yeah, now it's time to chill. The only thing we sadly don't have are these epic chairs. We have our garden chairs. But it's alright.
Next time.
We'll build up to it. We're very, oh it's a bit windy. We're very comfy, very cozy.
You can be in and out at the same time.
I know, look at this. I can still see them. So we're just getting the fire pit lit, as you can see. We're gonna make some burgers for dinner, and I need to put this battery on charge because you're gonna die. So I'll see you guys a bit later. I'll just swap you out and put you on a really nice time lapse though. I think we said we're gonna go for a little walk. It's just been so good so far. And we're so thankful to these guys for
Very well.
letting us come along and use their tent. So yeah. I'm sure it would still be very, very good.
There's him again.
Oh, there's the husband. Right, I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
About to leave, already packing, come with me.
Right, jumpers are on. We're all, apart from Mike, getting a bit snuggly. I just realised, just literally right around the corner is the most beautiful sunset. We're gonna go to a proper view of it, but look at that. Ignore the towels and crap there, but that is beautiful. Epic pictures await. No, we missed the We're all like we missed the sunset by like 5 minutes, but we'll hopefully catch it tomorrow. If you can even hear me right now, it's very, very windy. But yeah, we're just taking some cute pictures. It's beautiful though. The camera doesn't really do the colour justice, but the sun just went down here.
And the boys are having a whale of a time.
I'm looking back.
What are you doing,
Time for some cute pictures.
This is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Morning everybody from very sunny Very, very sunny.
Very
Raymond, looking a little dishevelled. It wasn't a terrible night's sleep. It wasn't a great night's sleep, but it wasn't a terrible night's sleep.
Not put you off yet.
No, I think it's just being on that. I mean, it looks luxurious and comfy, but that head pillow thing does just throw you off. Otherwise, it was very comfy. How did you sleep?
Not bad, yeah, actually.
Yeah.
For the first time, it's like you say, when it's your first night away from your own bed.
Yeah, it's never going to be as good.
But like tonight rather, I'm sure it is.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm hoping we'll sleep a bit better tonight. But what's the time? It's only
No idea.
7:30. Bubs is out there
Glorious.
basking in the sunshine. Mike's just having a shower, but we decorated his birthday today. So we've decorated and we've managed to sneakily wrangle cake in. And me and Vicky both got the same cards.
I don't really do
What are the
romantic
chances?
cards, so I was like, oh, that'll be funny.
Yeah, so we
And
both
then,
got the same
you
one.
got yours out and was like, oh, that's the same card.
But yeah, so once he gets back from the shower, he'll be so pleased.
You'd be like, oh god.
Did I tell you I bought a hat yesterday? I bought a hat yesterday to keep the sun out. Oh, no, it looks sexy.
I mean, you should probably take the label off.
Probably should. I'm going to rock it with a label. But it's very warm.
Leave the label on.
Yeah, so I want people to know where it's from. Come on. It's absolutely glorious though. It's a beautiful morning, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. But yeah, I'm gonna just have some brekkie, chill out, and then head out, I think, down to Lyme Regis today.
That's the plan.
Never been, so that'll be a new place for us.
Very simple. You'll like it.
Did you sleep okay, babe?
Not put you off yet.
Not put you off yet?
No, I think it's I think it's the mattress.
So we're not leaving today.
Gave me a
My
sore neck.
chest feels fine. But yeah, I need to somehow put on a face at some point after brekkie, I think.
Good.
There you go. What do you think? Oh yeah, I look glamorous. I'm glamping.
Definitely.
Clamping.
I'm glamping. Oh, darling. Bring me my
dear.
wine.
Oh.
Maybe not yet.
My grape.
Coffee.
Yeah. Oh god, I need coffee, yeah. It's so cute. Yeah, it doesn't stay out.
Yeah, if you got a pin there, you'd be like some kind of Western miner.
Oh yeah.
Where's my pot of gold? My gold nugget.
Alright, put my hat down. Thank you. Speak to you later.
I
The
said
thing.
Darling, you need to have something more distinctive about you.
Okay. So you get like a large piercing.
I'm glad you said piercing.
And a coffee.
Happy birthday! Right. Oh, look at me, laying like a glamping queen.
You know.
Glamping queen. We are just about ready to go. I put a face on. That was interesting, but I think I did okay. It's a bit windy. Let me just step in here quick. But yeah, so we are just. This is a wonderful angle. We are just. We are just heading off. We're going to go into Lyme Regis today and celebrate Mike's birthday there. So yeah, let's all go. Oh, that's a terrible angle and bad for my back. I'm so old. Vicky's in the cutest jumpsuit today. Oh, so cute.
And it's got pockets.
It is super cute. Vicky's looking really sweet today.
Oh,
I
thanks.
love that.
Just got to get some colour on these pins.
Yeah, we're all pasty.
Don't look at them. You'll
Pasty
blind
milk bottles.
yourself.
We're on the road. I haven't got a car tripod, so this is your view.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river. Get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew.
through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. Oh, you're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river, where you will find peace. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight. Oh yeah, I will fight. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. I will fight. So come to the water, where you will find peace. Take a step into the river.
Right, we are all done in Lyme Regis. We are on the road. Bubs is in the front this time. I've got a back seat with Mike. And we are now gonna stop on probably stop at a couple of places. There are a couple of farm shops on the way. We need to get some wood for tonight. And meat. Steak. Wooden meat and meat. It's been an absolutely beautiful day in Lyme Regis. We'd definitely come back and explore a bit more.
And I didn't burn.
And you didn't, well, yet. Winning, hashtag winning. I think I'm feeling hot. I don't know if I'm burnt or if I'm hot, so we'll soon find out. But I'm very glad I had my hat today, actually. I've really enjoyed wearing my hat. Oh my gosh, the view. I don't know if you can see behind that bus.
I'll get my head out of the way. That's a view.
Yeah. Wait for the bus to go past, guys, and you'll see, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's just amazing.
Yeah.
Just so beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. So we just stopped at First Farm Shop, and it is Felicity's Farm Shop up there, that way. This is a beautiful photo up. You can see there. Absolutely gorgeous. And my husband to be, of course, doing his thing. We've stopped for a viewpoint because how can you not? Look at that. It's just insane. Bit noisy with the traffic, but
Yeah. I really want to find out what that is now.
you see this little castle down there.
I couldn't win
Oh, because
They're
I'm
all
the
being
same.
very mean to
I'm
me.
the same. I'm like, there's no pleasing.
They're just judging me. We're at Farm Shop number 2. This time we're at, I don't know what it was called.
Ducks.
Ducks. We're at Ducks Farm Shop this time. Oh, look at those aubergines. drive-through. This is so cool.
She's so easily pleased.
Bring me my frapper. Frapper, frapper, frapper. We've got our...
He's run round. Yeah, he's like 2 dogs.
So we got our Aldi shop. We have steak, we have pork. Is that it?
Yeah.
Steak and pork. And then we've got loads of treats as well. We got like marshmallows, bananas and chocolate buttons and loads. So, and some beverages. But yeah. We're just going to have some Starbucks, head back and start fire. Mike's ready.
It is time for fire.
Man, make fire. Right, the braai has commenced. Food is on the go, the drinks are on the go. We're playing with some magical story dice.
We're making some epic novels here. Oh, we want something else.
Cooking your dinner.
We're borderline awaiting a domestic.
Get this, get that, do this, do that.
Well, if you could only learn to read my mind, I wouldn't need to ask, would I?
Vicky's pottering about, doing as she's told. The drinks are cooling. We may have a very melted chocolate cake in the done.
I don't know, Donny.
We currently have pork sizzling away, which Bubs, everyone's very excited about apart from me.
Get over your fear.
I can't get over my fear.
Have a quarter.
Don't judge me. Got food poisoning 5 years ago and I can't eat pork. Apart from bacon, I like bacon.
And sausages.
And sausages.
See, there you go, it's pork.
Just doesn't look like that.
Logic is not there.
Doesn't look like the offender.
Yeah. It's not a thing based on logic, is it?
No. But yeah, so it's another evening by the bride. Tonight we're going to try not to miss sunset.
We're not going to miss them.
But I did already get a very epic clip yesterday, which you would have already seen. So that was really pleasing. Oh, there's loads of spiders.
Oh, wildlife.
Wildlife, what is this camping?
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my
We've come to capture the sunset. It's started behind me. You're not going to be able to see it very well, but you are in the next time lapse. So I'm very excited to show you. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to get you set up. You're my big boy. I'm glad I bought this.
She means her tripod.
Yeah. Yeah.
Burnham's left at the tent.
Yeah. Not that big boy. But yeah, we're gonna set you up, and I hope you enjoy this little time lapse.
You know what? The sun looks good on your face.
It's nice, isn't it? It's a good colour. We should take a photo.
Like all the time.
Right, enjoy. Camera never does it justice, but trust me when we say it's absolutely stunning. So beautiful.
word I wish for silence. For every storm I long for peace. For every step I'm taking there's a sidewalk. There's a road, a way to get to you. To get to you. To get to you. To get to you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanna get to you. I wanna get to
Morning everybody. Oh, you're on a weird setting. Good morning everybody, that's better. It's our last morning. Oh, packing up, getting ready to go. I haven't even put a face on because I'm just so unnatural now.
That's it.
Glad I'm not walking around naked.
Countryside.
Well, yeah, give it a few more days.
We're just making
Well, we can do.
coffee and teas. And we'll start to pack up and get everything in the car so that we're good to go. M27's back open though, so hopefully we should be okay. I should be able to get home in time to do laundry. These guys are probably going to go in a Weymouth and do fun stuff.
Next time.
Next time we're definitely going to do longer. We really enjoyed ourselves. I think we'd have a different sleeping setup because that's just not very comfortable actually.
You don't know these things until you try it, do you?
Exactly. But yeah, we're just going to have some coffee and then we'll say au revoir later. Just tidying up and getting stuff a bit more.
Breakfast as well.
Oh yeah, bacon rolls. Righto. We've had bacon rolls. It was good. Chef extraordinaire's over there. Thank you so much for feeding us.
I did breakfast, you did dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's good at frying bacon.
You fed us well.
You're very welcome.
We're just getting the car packed and I think we're going to hit the road. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back. Well, I think they want us to come back.
Yeah.
But yes, the tent is looking rather empty. They can have their big pod back.
Dancing in the tent.
We did offer the bed, but they're like, no, that's fine. We'll take our mats.
Yeah.
You don't do their beds, do you?
No, I don't. Someone gets up in the night, the other gets catapulted across the room.
That one's not too bad actually, that one's pretty good. But it's been the most amazing weekend. I wish we had longer, to be honest.
I'm glad you've enjoyed
Just
it.
carry on till and explore more, but next time, and especially this place, this is great. It'd be good to come and explore more of Weymouth and the surrounding areas next time, that'd be
This is our
fab.
second time here, and we're not bored of it.
Yeah, it's lovely. Bubs is just getting the last of the bits.
Tomorrow and Tuesday.
Yeah, they're here till Wednesday.
Go home Wednesday.
They go home Wednesday, so they've got another few days. Lucky sods, but enjoy your birthday holiday.
Thank you very much.
We shall leave them to it now.
See it all in my video on
Yeah.
my channel.
Make sure to head over to Vickys Channel, Crunchy Leaves and Sunsets. I'll leave it all linked down below, but there'll be loads of different stuff in her vlog. Won't be the same, plus you'll get extra few days, which I won't be able to give you because I'm going to end this once we're home this evening. But yeah. No? Oh god, here we go. It's found. I'm wearing my hat, it's not that sunny, but looks cute with my dress.
You do look very summery.
On the most cloudy, non-sunny day, I wear the dress.
It's gonna get better.
It's gonna get better. Old rodeo, Bubs is driving. But thank you so much,
Oh, you're welcome.
guys, for such an amazing weekend.
Very welcome. It's been good fun, isn't it?
It's been so good.
Yeah.
So blessed, so grateful.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we really did.
I want to know Burnham's final verdict on his first camping trip as well.
Wanted to get your final verdict on the weekend.
First ever camping trip.
Your first ever one, come on.
Burnham, thumbs up and would recommend.
Hey!
Out of 10.
I'll give that a 10.
Really?
Yeah.
What about the sleep?
I was going to say, including the bed.
I know, I was like, what about
The
the
first
sleep?
night was a bit rough just because it was someone new, but the second night was much better once I adjusted.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. Will you come camping again?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, that was no
I
hesitation.
was going to say,
I'd definitely do it again.
that's the bit I was most concerned about because you've never been before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Won't be the
Makes
ones
sense.
that put you off.
No. I like the
We're
idea
never
of getting
coming again.
the tent, 2 pitches into one. I think that'd be a cool idea.
That would be really good. Next year, we'll be able to maybe invest in our own camping gear. Still come with these guys because we
Obviously.
need their assistance at least the first 5 times. And then, but then we'll have a pitch of our own and a tent and everything. That'd be really cool.
It'd be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it like the most extravagant tent you've ever seen. There's gonna be twinkly lights, a bag,
Keep it simple.
4-post bed.
It's not a hotel.
Yeah, no, it's been
It will
really
be when
good.
she's finished.
Yeah.
It's been really, really good. But we will see you when we get home. Bye, we'll miss you. Have fun. There we are home, a sweet home. And little monkey's here. Very happy boy. He's waiting for a prezi. We got him a little something. What is this? Let me cut the tags off. Yeah, it was a really good drive back. No traffic whatsoever, really. Just a little bit, like smidgy bits here and there. 'Twas smooth sailing. So just try to find some scissors. Are you ready, monkey? Wait. There you go. Go on in. You got it? And he's off. Need to unpack. I've already got a load of laundry on the go. That's all the bedding and whatnot, so I'm going to do that on an hour. I've got number 5 and number 5 at 60, I think, for that one. Everything smells of barbecue smoke or fire pit smoke. Everything. So laundry time. But otherwise, that was a really good drive back. We're home. It's not even 1 o'clock yet, I don't think, is it, Bub? 20 to 1. So we got the whole afternoon. Me and Bubs are gonna have a braai. We've bought some chicken, got some steaks, and we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our weekend, do laundry, tidy up, and just have some time, me and Bubs now, which is really, really lovely. Hey Bubs, you and me now for a little bye.
Yep.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I did.
We had a really, really good time.
I am glad to be home in my
Yeah. Definitely glad to be home, but we're total homebodies, so every time we come home it's a good thing.
Yeah, I did miss my bed. I mean, I was happy there, I could have done it longer, but
I missed our bed
miss
too.
my bed.
But massive thank you to Mike and Vicky. I know
Yes.
you guys will watch this, so
Thank you guys.
big thank you. You made it a really special weekend, and we're so blessed to have good friends like you, and all down to this platform, and all down to you.
Me? Why me? No, really, it was Vicky. Because Vicky reached out to you.
Yeah, but because of you and your Warhammer.
Yeah.
But
See?
never mentioned Warhammer.
Warhammer brings people together.
Oh God. Alright, bye Bub.
More should participate in Warhammer. If you need any advice, you can contact Mike or myself. Join the Warhammer channel.
Oh gosh, there we go.
And yeah, it's great fun.
I do love you.
Mwah. What
Right.
am I coming here for?
We need to unpack. And if you
crack on.
if you could take the suitcase upstairs,
Oh, key.
all the bedding, all that, just take it
Where's
out.
the key?
What key?
There's a key.
Oh, it's here. I put it down here.
I was going to get the braai starting because that's going to take a while.
Oh, okay. Well, okay. I'm going to get unpacking. I'm going to end it here, I think, actually. But thank you so, so much for watching. I've only got 3 minutes left on my card. I've vlogged so much this weekend, so I hope you're looking forward. Well, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you enjoyed seeing all our antics and what we got up to this weekend. It was really, really great. Highly recommend Seabarn Farm in Weymouth for camping. We had electric hookup and all sorts. It was just a really lovely sight. Everyone was so friendly, everyone was so lovely, and it was just so clean, which was a really, really nice thing, especially when you're using public toilets and things. So yeah. Right, I'm going to bid you adieu. Me and Bubs are going to have a little braai and just have a nice evening at home before we head back to work tomorrow. I will see you guys on Friday for the start of another weekend vlog, and it'll be another busy, exciting weekend. We should be having Mike and Vicky over on Friday, I believe, possibly. Out seeing Chris and Em on Saturday. We're going to pool, so...
D&D night the Friday before.
Yeah, I'd mentioned they got Dungeons and Dragons. That'll be a new one for me. But yeah, we got another games night with them, so really looking forward to that. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and if you did, please do give it a little my hands are so dead, little thumbs up, and subscribe if you are new here. And from me, Bubs, Giz, thank you so much for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.